we didn't tell him.
Right.
And he came out of surgery and he was like, we couldn't, they'll be in recovery and they have to settle. And he was angry and crying and angry and crying. And I remember my husband saying, "Ir-rabjat għax ma nirux. Dak ir-rabjat, dak ir-rabjat." And he didn't speak to me, this boy, fil-arnita, that tifel, like, mommy. And he didn't speak to me for like 3 days. He was so angry. And I was like, oh, like you're thinking, this child is only like, little. How can he? And it was true. And my husband says to me, he's like, dawk, jghidulu kollha jghidulu tajpu ħażin, jghidulu.
And from then on, was that the policy?
Yes.
But has he ever asked you difficult questions that you had no answer for?
Yes. Yes. Very difficult. Even recently, this last admission he had, the question that I was dreading, why me?
Yeah.
And
do you ask that question?
I used to. I don't anymore.
Is it because it's a pointless question?
Mm-hmm. Why me? Why anyone? What do I have that's different from anyone else? We know that other people have been unwell. There are so many things we don't know about. Well, I don't have anything different. Mm-hmm. So it's almost nowadays, it's like, when is it going to be me?
How is your character, your personality, how is that evolving, changing with this process?
I was always very quiet, very shy, very timid. I would never speak up. But I don't know now. It's like lately I've been trying to say, has my experience changed me or age? So
right.
Is it because, I'm nearing 50, or is it because of what I went through? Mm. Like, they say, after 40 or whatever, you
stop giving a shit.
No, zero fucks to give, or is it because...
I wouldn't know because I'm only just 40 now. Guys, it's only been a couple of weeks, so I'm new to this shit.
So you have a lot to learn.
And now I'm stupid as well.
So,
yeah, what's your conclusion? Is it age or is it...
I think it's a bit of both.
It's a bit of both, too.
I think it's a bit of both.
Yeah, I think after you've been in the trenches in the way that you are, like you have rather... I think there is a point of, well, we're discussing it last time, no? And you're like under so much pressure that everything else just becomes a bit like whimsical and superficial.
Exactly. Before I used to be like, oh my God, I have a cold and I got drama. And I once kicked my husband out for burning my toast because I had a sore throat. And I said, go make me toast. And he burnt it. Or he burnt it. It was taking him long. I was like, Jabe, duck it toast. And I flipped a switch and I kicked him. I mean, like now.
You were like all busy pitying yourself. This guy doesn't get how much I need this toast.
Now I'll have a cold and he'll be like, "It's all right. You have a cold, Ren. It's just a cold. Seriously, I'll get over it. It's nothing." But
so there's an upside to that, to this whole.
I think so.
Mela tlaqna.